Accents in music. There are 5 types of accents in music. Accent type number 1, staccato. Staccato is written with a dot over or underneath the note head. It shortens the note value by half and creates separation between a note and the next note. Accent type number 2, staccatissimo. Staccatissimo is a very short staccato. It shortens the note even more. It is written with a wedge over or underneath the note head. Accent type number 3, the accent mark. The accent mark emphasizes the beginning of the note and then taper it off rather fast. Accent type number 4, marcato. Marcato, or the rooftop accent, is a combination of the accent mark and staccato. It gives gravity to the note, but the note is still rather short. Accent type number 5, tenuto. Tenuto markings are written as a horizontal bar. It indicates that a note has extra weight on it. Tenuto notes must be sustained through their full note value and are played slightly louder. Finally, you need to know whether the accent markings should be written above or underneath a note. Well, generally this rule applies. If the stem of the note goes up, the accent mark goes underneath the note head. If the stem of the note goes down, the accent mark goes above the note head. So, now you've learned about accents in music, but listen up. Are you ready to learn more musical terms and how to apply them on your piano or keyboard? Simply click the link in the description and sign up for your totally free piano workshop webinar and get your free chord chart ebook at pianochordcharts.net. Sign up now and I'll see you in a minute on the workshop webinar.